Welcome to the Andaman Sea, 47. We've arrived just in time. It seems Crest didn't disclose the true object of the heist to his partners, so Akka has seized one of the satellite control unit's keycards as collateral until they can renegotiate. The militia have set up camp near the remains of a colonial outpost. Both Crest and the control unit should be nearby. You'll need to destroy the unit itself or render it inoperable by retrieving both keycards. Knowing Crest, he'll have given his to someone he trusts, but Akka is less inclined to delegate. She should be in the pirate base when she's not out among the locals. I provided you with a GPS tracker. Activate it when you're done and I'll initiate extraction. The sooner we finish up here, the better.
Pacing around like a tiger in a cage earlier. It makes me nervous.
Ever since they got back from the raid, the mood's been different. They're not being as chummy with the toy soldiers anymore.
The second you see that tower light up, you radio me. Got it? Akka's not gonna get any friendlier if she calls a meeting and I keep it.
No see.
Yes, sir. Understood. Good.
It seems that Crest is waiting for Akka to call a meeting. Getting them both in one place would certainly save some time. Akka must be using the light to signal for Crest when she wants a meeting. It shouldn't be too difficult to exploit that.
I got this number from you. You said you might be interested in organization to provide?
Hey, man.
We move freight around, we do some business as petrochemical middlemen. We broker the occasional shipment. We've been expanding into the east, and our friends suggested we would be in a good position.
Looks like a bit of friendly competition between the militia and the locals. I wonder what Crest would think of a newcomer besting his people.
How are you?
Thinks he's a champion just because he got the better of one noodle-armed lightweight. He wouldn't stand a chance against one of us. Hey, why don't you go show him what real competition looks like, man?
You don't look so tough.
Whoa.
Thanks so much.
Goodbye.
Oh, come on. That was so cheap. I don't think we can let him get away with that, can we?
Oh.
Go show him how it's really done.
I'll smack that blank look right off your damn face.
Thank you so much.
All right. I guess I'm gonna have to be the one who puts his shit heel in his place. Yeah, all right, big shot. Let's do this.
Was that?
What an amazing win!
What the hell? Did he freeze his hand or something?
Namaste.
Son of a bitch, he's like a pickup truck. Evening.
face of a soul. Imagine living a life like that.
It is a great film, but not his best.
Oh, it is my favorite.
Sorry. He just doesn't even flinch.
And when he hits you,
I felt that shit about seeing stars with different cartoons.
This is Crest. What's your status? Hey, you. Come here.
Hi.
Are you the one who schooled my people?
I guess so.
Well, I want to talk to you about something. In private. Nothing sinister. There's no hard feelings here. I just have an offer for you. Come and hear me out. That's all I ask.
Hey there, big guy.
Huh?
Not the prettiest corner of the island, but we should be out of earshot now.
Practical.
I've been planning some operations.
night, isn't it?
Heists, if you want to be Hollywood about it. Certain prominent individuals, government facilities, big targets. But that means big payouts. I'm looking for someone who can take a little punishment. Someone who could be an inside man but won't buckle under intense interrogation if he's caught. I'd do it myself, but my time and expertise would be better spent covering our tracks. And you've shown me that my guys aren't up for the job either. I need someone I can depend on.
I can hold my own.
I know we only just met, but you have this quality to you. I can't really pin it down. It's familiar but alien at the same time, and your face. Don't take this the wrong way, but it feels like if I looked away for a minute, I'd completely forget every feature. You might be my missing piece here. I don't need or want a decision right now. This is a life-changing choice. It could be the start of some big things for you, but there would be no backing out. I don't need any more disappointments. Make sure this is what you really want. I'll be here for a few more days at least, so no rush.
I'll think about it.
That's Crest taken care of.
Man, we got ourselves an accident here. Do you read me? Over.
This area has restricted access, sorry. Keep your eyes on the toy soldiers. They're up to something.
Won't that make you harder?
Holy shit, 47! It's you!
Huh.
Mr.
Friend of
Smith.
yours, 47?
You're a sight for sore eyes. 47. I'm on real thin ice with Interpol. This assignment was supposed to be a gimme. Tag along undercover on some tankers, monitor the crews for any suspicious contact with pirates, and support local law enforcement investigations with whatever info I found. Should have been a piece of cake.
Do you need some help?
Yeah. I haven't heard any keys on their leader when she comes by. If I had to guess, I'd say she's keeping them somewhere private, like an office. If you can get those keys and open this door, I can get myself off this island.
Got it.
Aka, he's not trustworthy. I can tell. I can always tell.
No one is trustworthy. Trust is always a risk. But trusting Shu pays for guns. It pays for boats. It pays for bribes.
Help! Help!
Aka's out of the way. Good work. Now you just have to deal with the satellite control unit. That's one of the keycards for the satellite control unit. We'll need to find the second if we want to fully lock them out.
You should get out of here.
I'm gonna have to add you to my Christmas card list at this rate. Listen, you see that car battery over there? She hooked up the cage to it and turned the juice on when she wanted to screw with us.
Interesting.
I'm not gonna tell you how to do your job, but I wouldn't lose any sleep if she got a taste of her own medicine.
Consider it done.
Do you feel like this isn't really your life at all? That we should still act like our ancestors and continue the modern ways?
Okay.
Forget it.
Life is a funny thing. It's there and you don't think about it much, and then, poof, it's gone.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Whatever you say.
Yeah, I'll get over it.
Well done. With the control unit in pieces, the satellite's no longer our problem. And that's that. The rest will pick up the pieces. It's time to go, 47. I'll see you soon.
And who might you be? I don't know.
I'll let Diana and Olivia know. Still on screen.
How did you not see this coming? My God, we came this close. The old man could have buried us all. Our families.
Do you think you feel more betrayed than I do? Get some perspective, please. Janus is dead. Lucas Gray is about to join him.
And a cornered animal is twice as dangerous.
Let's be perfectly clear. We were not exposed. The threat is neutralized. We are back on track.
Even so, from this point on, we expect you to take...
No, there is no way I'm doing that. How can you question my loyalty?
In case treachery is contagious.
Do you really want to do this to me?
Is there a problem, Secretary?
No problem whatsoever, Madam. Here's to loyalty.
My man on the island confirms that the Constant has arrived. We head out at sundown. Here, in case the crew get ideas.
Why are you doing this, Mr. Gray? You had a chance to walk away. Why didn't you?
A year ago, I'm working security for this banker, Cobb, only to find out he's a Providence operative. I'd been running for decades, only to wind up where I started. We've all got barcodes on the back of our heads. Most people just never notice. 47 told me about your parents. How did they die?
Car bomb. Surrey, 1989. Company named Blue Seed didn't care to pay for their mistakes. But I like to think no one's untouchable.
I'm sorry for your loss.
You feel it, don't you? Unlike him, you feel it all. Everything you've done.
It's a dangerous thing, having a conscience.